Friends, I hope you all are doing well and keeping fit. I have got two announcements to make today for your information. Firstly, let me give you some advice in this crisis of corona which is going on right now. You know that corona is proliferating like anything and we all have to keep fit. It's very important to keep yourself fit, otherwise nothing can work out. So firstly, how do we deal with this? I'm not going to tell you something very different, but the thing which I am following it, I wanted to tell you all those. Firstly, just keeping yourself fit or keeping your immunity high, you can defeat this demon of corona. How can you do that? You can do that. Hi Sweta. Just walking for 45 minutes every day, your immunity goes by at least 4 times. So instead of corona puts you out of action, it's good that you put the corona out of action. Rather, you kill the corona. And how can you do? You can do it only by doing daily walking, exercise, so that your immunity level is always remains high. The second thing which you can do is that you should always practice or oxygenate your body. What I mean to say is that you don't have to carry the oxygen cylinder with you, and you don't have to. So you don't have to carry the oxygen cylinder with you. Rather than you have to oxygenate by the natural way. And what is those ways is that you should do some breathing exercises. And if you do these breathing exercises, then your body gets oxygenated and your immunity gets further enhanced. And by doing so, you will be able to again defeat the corona. Third thing which I will tell you is that you must basically do some yoga and pranayam. By doing this yoga and pranayam, again you can do that. You calm down your system, you calm down your body, you calm down your mental faculties, and you become cool. The another advantage of doing the yoga pranayam is that you know that your lungs capacity in the normal course is only 30%. You use only 30% of the capacity in the day-to-day practice. But when you start doing this pranayam or some kind of breathing exercises, then your lung capacity increases from at least from 35% to the 75 to 80%. And by doing so, that you are taking or your intake of the oxygen to the body increases by at least 3 to 4 times, and then this oxygenated blood circulate in your system, and finally your the repairing capacity of the body increases. Your damaged tissues get repaired, so by which you can increase again your immunity. And thirdly, that please follow the government guidelines which are given by the government day to day. You must follow those guidelines, whether it is using the mask or keeping the social distancing. So gentlemen, this is just a few things which I wanted that friends should keep themselves fit and remain safe and stay blessed. The announcement which I have for you all guys is that next 30 days, every day at 9 o'clock, I shall be taking the session on break free from your limiting beliefs. Now, what are the limiting beliefs? Limiting beliefs that we all have, and what we all go by that yes, I cannot do this thing. I am not capable of doing this, or this is not for me. I am not designed for that. These are the kind of some of the self-limiting beliefs by which you don't grow in life. And it's very important that you should have this feeling of defeating the self-limiting beliefs. And I shall be conducting daily 15 to 20 minutes of session on these issues of self-limiting beliefs. I have seen in my life that if you are committed and if you have decided, you are determined, you can break all these myths of self-limiting. I am sure that session which I will take will definitely help you. And for that, but you have to be regular. You have to join me every day around 9 o'clock in the evening, and I shall be covering some or other, and I am sure some of you will resonate with me and you will find them very useful for your life. Those limiting beliefs could be related with your health issues, related with your relationship, or related with your job. That health issues, you say that yes, I cannot get up, I cannot work out, I don't have time, I am occupied. So these are all self-limiting beliefs. And let me tell you, your life is your life. If you don't take extreme ownership of your own life, then who else will take it? How will you keep yourself fit? How will you keep yourself motivated? And if that is not the case, then certainly you are going to lose. So your life is your responsibility, your obligation, and your duty to take care of it. And if you do all these things, if you overcome your self-limiting belief, let me tell you, the sky is the limit. You can achieve anything. Hi Maqsood, hi Sahil Bharadwaj, Anjali Verma, Swetha Srinivas. Nice to meet you all, guys. So I shall be taking you through this. And one more thing, gentlemen, I wanted to announce that is there are a lot of messages coming me directly on the messenger. In fact, I don't have that kind of bandwidth where I respond to each and every message. But some of you, I will be having some of you one-on-one session also, again to guide you in your overcoming your self-limiting beliefs and grow rich in your life. That growth could be in your relationship, growth could be on your job, growth could be on your wealth. So ladies and gentlemen, keep watching, keep joining me regularly from tomorrow onward for next 30 days at 9 p.m. and I shall be bringing on some other one or point or how to bust the myth of self-limiting beliefs, and which will help you long way. Some of you think that I can't become a leader. How can you not become a leader? You can always become a leader, provided you think like a leader, you start working like a leader. And leadership is not that you have to obey somebody. It is that you have to have your own conviction that yes, I can also. But with the leadership comes the responsibility. So you have to become responsible. So gentlemen, if you start taking your extreme responsibilities, I am sure that anything or everything you can achieve, everything roadblocks you can overcome, or everything you can follow it. So this is the one thing that I wanted to tell, that every day from tomorrow onward I will be live for 15-20 minutes covering some or other important point of self-limiting belief, how to overcome that, and what actually is that limiting belief, whether it is true or not true, so that you can watch in your life, you can see in your life, probably that may resonate with me and you will be able to find some good thing in that. Another thing I wanted to announce is that if some of you are interested and wanted to have a one-on-one session on any topic which is related with your self-limited belief, where you want to grow in your career, you want to grow in your life, you want to grow in your relationship, you can always discuss. I can always have a 15 to 20 minute session with you all. But one thing which I just wanted to repeat again, that I don't have that kind of bandwidth where I respond to all the messages in the DM, in the messenger. There are n number of messages which are coming, and if you drop me in the comment box, if you share your details with me in comment box, I can reach out to you guys and we can fix one-on-one session as and when convenient to both of us. with this, gentlemen, let's keep in touch and join me every day, 9 o'clock, and we will talk on the things how to break free from the limiting beliefs so as to grow rich in life. And that means in your relationship, in your wealth, in your health, where most of us have the limiting belief that I cannot do, I cannot get up, I cannot work out, or in the job, yes, that job is not meant for you, I am not suitable for that, I cannot, I don't fit in that shoes. These are all myths, provided you have a goal, you are focused, and you take a extreme ownership for your own decisions, own responsibilities. With this, gentlemen, I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye. Thank you.